Okay, so I'm gonna start assembling the control panel, the new one. It will be all driven by this controller here with a big microcontroller. The control panel will also have a 10 amp circuit breaker and a ground fault breaker for more security. All functions of this new controller will be selected. All the settings will be done by this HMI that also has a real-time clock to provide with date and hour. I can, as you guys can see, I can easily go to settings on this menu. I can select, I can change values, and I can also monitor all the parameters. This controller has a few improvements, and there's also a level control. This one's pretty much the same, but there's a new volume control that allows you to select how much water you want to get in, the maximum amount of water that will get into the tank in a 24-hour period. There's logging about the volume. The temperature also, I did some changes. There's a maximum amplitude, so the difference between the max temperature and the actual temperature cannot be greater than the maximum amplitude. Otherwise, the heater will turn on, and in this case it is, because we have a maximum temperature of 85 degrees. Obviously, I was testing. So there's also logs with the minimum and maximum temperature. This one actually has 3 days back. There's 30 days with logs. The auto feeder is about the same, but I add more steps to the ramp. So nows go from let's say we are at 29 degrees, so it's 80%. 30 degrees will be 85%, and so on. Oops. And there's a log that sums all the seconds that the auto feeder was turned on each day. Well, there's also the minimum level and the maximum level to turn off and turn on the pump level protection, and there's a light sensor and running a day clock like the previous controller. And in this page I can actually monitor all the outputs, the 7 outputs. Yeah, basically that's it. I have the same sensors, but now I'm running the loads from Tri-X. I have 7 right here, so 3 pumps, 2 valves, the automatic feeder, and the heater. So I got control of more loads than the previous one. and I also have two analog inputs left that are not used by any sensor, so there's room for more sensor in the future. Okay, when the panel is ready, I will record another video. Thanks for watching.